Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. I have a 1985 ZN1100 Kawasaki LTD. It's got 31,000 miles. We're going to park this bike out because we just don't want to get into restoring this one. It's not really what we do. So it has a couple issues. Underneath the head right here by the cam cover, the head has a small crack or small bust in it. It can be fixed very easy, I'm sure, but you can see it's probably going to leak oil out there, I would imagine. We had this bike for a little bit. We're just now finally getting to it. It's winter time. These are not the right carburetors on the bike. These are off of a KZ1000J. The KZ1100 carburetors we have for the bike, but they're slightly different, but they would work. So anyway, here's the KZ1000J carbs. The exhaust, I don't know what this is off of because it's really kind of goofy. You got the channel right here, but I mean it is a baffle. I mean, well, there's no baffle, but it is an exhaust. If that's all you had, it probably be okay. We need to look into it. Probably the brakes and stuff. Front brake doesn't feel too bad. I don't know if it drags or not. The rear brake is kind of getting locked up on it. I'm looking for busted fins. It looks good on this side.
Same here.
Yeah. So over on this side, this doesn't look too bad either, but you got that small damage there on the head. Could be fixed, but so we would be willing to sell just this motor, or if you wanted to be interested in buying the head, we'd be interested in selling the head. We do have a title for this motorcycle, or we'd sell the whole motorcycle. We have a gas tank for it that was leaking. We're selling it on eBay right now, and I think we're looking to get like $150 out of it or something like it. But it's got a leak, but it's got the fuel valve and everything. I have the original seat with the matching pad. I just put it on eBay for sale. We're looking to get rid of that. We're not going to test drive the bike because it's cold and the rear brake is not working, and we're just not going to ride it. However, we did change the oil. We put a new filter in it. It's got new spark plugs, and these carburetors are pretty good condition. We're going to start it up right now, and we're going to see if the charging system works or not. I think the motor internally is good. The charging system does not work. I don't know if it's the stator or whatever, but the charging system does not work on this motorcycle. So we're going to be parting this out. It's got a lot of good parts on it. Plus, or you could fix this bike and ride it, I'm sure. Just we don't have the time. The mileage on the bike is a little over 31,000. So it doesn't appear like it smokes or anything, but does have that crack, and I don't know if it's going to leak out there or not. But anyway, not a bad piece. If there's any needs or interest, give us a call. Thanks.